for you. Make it them the talk. Madam get it them out. Anything you need in him, I go buy my money, my money. Moo 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 moo.
Hey guys, happy new year. Happy new year guys. Happy new year. In fact, I'm so grateful to God for everything he has done, throughout the year 2022 and seeing us through this year, keeping us alive to witness this year. In fact, I'm just grateful to God for everything, for the gift of life, most especially. So, and I'm wishing you guys happy new year. This year is going to be the best of best. This year is going to bring to you whatever thing, all the prayers you have been praying. May this year be the best year for you, okay? And there is gonna be a victory on every side, celebration. In fact, all things good. You gotta go. So yeah, we woke up. We are just waking up, and we had something to eat now. Okay, you know that we went to crossover night, which I'm going to be posting that video first before uploading every or any other video. Okay, that will be coming up for this new year. Okay, just watch out. Okay, so yeah, we wake up now, and I bought this thing for my baby. You guys, I bought a high chair for her birthday. That is my birthday gift to my baby girl. Okay, so we want to, hubby is going to be fixing it for her. We are going to be unboxing it. So let me just fix it, because if I say let me wait and do the unboxing later, I don't know when it's gonna be, and I want her to start using the high chair now. So that I still have a lot to do now, but let us first of all fix her chair for her. Okay, so come along with us, and I hope you have been enjoying this video. Please don't forget to give this video thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. Makaniga like yeah, you gotta go. So yeah, let us go and fix the chair. So yes, so this is the high chair. It's not clear here. Let me show you guys. Oma is happy. So this is the high chair I bought for her. Oma is happy. Mommy bought you high chair. It's your birthday gift, It's your birthday gift. So hubby is going to be opening it and be fixing it now. Alright, so hubby is there, everybody is there, we are just relaxing. Hubby is opening it. I can't wait for her chair to be opened. Mommy, you are going to be eating on your high chair. Be careful, mommy. Mommy, Oma no fit wait again, Oma no fit wait again. Hey, happy new year and happy birthday. About red and white, even her walker is red and white. Hubby is fixing it. I for say make I wait after the new year, but no, she has to start eating now. I can't wait after the new year. So guys, yeah, I went for this type of high chair because it has a table. Okay, she can use this as table, she can use it as high chair. Okay, it's 3 in 1 according to them. All right, so
your smile is like the morning sun, giving joy to everyone, my dear. You are so beautiful. I will be your forever lover. Nobody, even my mother, nothing can stop our love. Omalecha, 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 Achalugo, Omalecha, Achalugo, Omalecha, 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 Achalugo, Omalecha, Achalugo, Omalecha, Metugaga, Omalecha, Wanyoma, Omalecha, Achalugo, Omalecha, Achalugo, Omalecha, 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 Achalugo, Omalecha, 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 Achalugo, Omalecha, 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 Achalugo, Omalecha, Omalecha.
guys, this thing is hard to fix. Yeah? No, easy. Hold on. Let me see.
Anything you need in a him I go give you because of a likeness. Then they talk say I dey grace for you. And if you check I'm well, not true. You be my wickedness here. Baby, you're my wickedness here. Everybody be my witness here. When I see you, I touch you, and then lose my sense. Wickedness here, wickedness here. Baby, you're my wickedness here. Everybody be my witness here.
So beautiful.
When I see you,
hey, she's even happy. Say thank you, Daddy, for fixing it. This thing is not easy to fix.
Thank you.
Esther, you like your chair?
Thank you.
Eh? You like your chair?
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you, ma.
So guys, this chair is fine, eh? Very fine.
Thank you, ma.
I wanted to go for one color like that, so hubby said we should get white and red. Even her walker is white and red. We are fan of red, though. Her walker is white and red. Now her high chair is white and red, and I love it. So guys, yeah, Oma loves it, and she's playing with this her toy. Somebody gave it to her. The guy that used to order this thing for me in church, okay, he gave her this toy, and ever since then she has been playing with it. She loves it, eh? Brian Kingsley, thank you so much. Oma really appreciate your gift. Brian Kingsley and Lydia, we appreciate you guys. All right, Oma is happy. I so much love this chair. It's even 3 in 1. Oma, yeah, stay. Let us take thumbnail. Hello, Oma. And she likes it. If we go to relax, yeah. See how she relax. Eh? Don't worry, I will bring food for you. You will be eating. And that is the unboxing, and the Oma loves it, and I like it. Okay. Though it's a little bit hard to fix, but the hubby did a great work. He has fixed it, and so that is my gift. So I told you guys I will be buying her gift, so I have finally done it. Okay, and this is the gift, her birthday gift, and that is it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye. Mama say bye. Hubby say bye.
Bye.
Mommy say bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Hi. Hi.
Bye. Say bye.
Hey, that's okay.
Nobody they do me like you, my baby, oh baby, my baby, oh baby, my baby, oh sweetie. Nothing they sweet me like you, my baby, my honey, oh my little oh yo yo.